Whose ball is that, Boo? Don't let Boone take your ball away, Kitty. Go get it. What are you doing, Boone? You hiding? Get Baxter. Get him. Get the ball. Get the ball. Boone, go get the tennis ball. Go on, Boone. Kitty has both tennis balls. You can go get it, Boo? Boo, go get the tennis ball. Go on, go get it. Go get it, Boo. Baxter, did the kitty take your tennis ball? Huh? Are you afraid of Kitty? Give me that ball. You ready? Set, go. Boo. Boone took it. Boone took it. Go over there. Boo's got it. You have to come and get it back from him. Boo, put that tennis ball down. Now Baxter's got it. Boone, get the tennis ball. He's gonna get you. Are you guys afraid of the kitty? You are? Are you afraid of Kitty? Go get the tennis ball, Boone. Boone, get your tennis ball back. Are you afraid of Kitty? Boone, where's the kitty? He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you, Boone. Get him, Boo. You get him. You get him, Boo. Tell him, Boo. You tell him. Tell him stop it. Baxter, get him. The kitty's gonna get you, Baxter. Kitty's gonna get you. Here he comes. Here he comes. Uh-oh. Are you chasing Baxter? Huh? Is he chasing Baxter? Uh-oh. I wouldn't bark at him if I were you, Boone. He's kind of tough. Oh, there he goes. He's chasing Baxter. Get him, Baxter. Get him, Baxter. Get him. Uh-oh. You guys are scared of a little tiny kitten. Baxter, come here. Come here. Where's the kitty? Come here, Baxter. Are you afraid? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Uh-oh, he's got it. Now he has both. Uh-oh. Kitty has both. Get him, Baxter. Get him, Boone. I would get away from there if I were you, but no, you can't hide from the kitty. Go over there. No hiding from the kitty. What kind of dog hides from a kitty? Huh? You trying to hide? It's not good. Give me that ball. Kitty, kitty. Ready? Set. Who's gonna get the ball? Ready? He's got Baxter. He's got you, Baxter. Get him, Baxter. Get him, Baxter. Get him, Baxter. Get him, Baxter. Get him. We in safe zone? Huh? What happened? What happened? Did you get upset? Did the poor little kitty get upset? Oh. Yeah, right. He's back to torturing the dogs. Get him. Get him. Get him, Baxter. He's chasing you. Get him, Baxter. He's chasing you. There he goes. Oh, he's gonna get booed. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty, Baxter? He's got his tennis ball. Get the doggy. And that's the little kitty that we rescued. I don't think we rescued him. I think he would have survived. Hi, Anchor.